Hi, here are simple instructions on how you can create and boost an ad for the international market. Select the Add button to create your digital ad. To change the image of your ad, click to delete default image. Click on the Add button to upload a new photo or video. You may select a new photo or video from your business page album, or upload a new photo or video from your phone. You can type in Bloom Residences by SMDC. Add a catchy and accurate description of the property. Since you want to post your ad in a different country, you'll need to create a new audience. Create a name for your new audience so you can easily locate from your list of audiences. You'll need to identify characteristics that describe your audience, so Facebook can accurately identify who they are. Since we want to talk to Filipinos abroad, here are just some of the words that you can select. Filipinos, overseas Filipinos, Filipino language. And since we want to sell real estate, you can select real estate investments. Click on Start Plan so Facebook can review and approve your ad. Congratulations! You're now advertising to a global market. Happy selling!